Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and I'm back at the Seafront. I was down here to do some maintenance on the webcam, but still blowing the game here. And there's lots of interesting sights to see, so I thought I'd do another film. It's a very brave cat here. A bit close to the water's edge. Get a bit of the waves, which conveniently and as ever have died down as soon as I start filming. Weather-wise, up in Polemi it was rain and hail and most of the way down into Paphos this morning, but it seems to have sorted itself out now a bit. That's more like it. It's Tuesday morning, just gone 10. That's a goodie. Right, I did find on the way up there's a good spot up here. I might have to have a break in the film while I get to it without getting soaked. I have noticed also that it's clouding over a bit, especially towards the harbour, and the umbrella I'd brought down with me I conveniently left in the car because it was nice and sunny by the time I'd finished doing with the webcam. So there might be a bit of a dash at the end. But yes, if I go through here while it's quiet, oh, try not to slip. I can stand up on one of these seats and you get a very good view then. So let's pan the camera around. Let's get some nice waves now. Whee! You have to insert the theme from the Unedian line yourself. I don't know why I reference that. A lot of you probably have no idea what I'm talking about. Turn the camera down a bit. Yeah, lovely. I love it when the water cascades over the concrete seats as well. And unbelievably, though I'm tempting fate, I didn't get wet then. Now all I've got to do though is wait for the water to drain. So in all honesty, it doesn't look like it's going to do that for a little while. So let's just feel, I suppose I could do the marketing now. You might not hear it, but some would say it's probably a good thing. If you like our films, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, that's Paphos Life, for this kind of film, and Cyprus Panoramas for all the 360 content that we do. And if you want to help us out financially, go to our Buy Me a Coffee page at buymeacoffee.com/Paphos Life and chuck us a few coffees. They are all very gratefully received. And I think after this wave, I'm going to make a run for it. Yeah, maybe, oh no, perhaps not. Yeah, maybe, no, the corner's come around this way. Okay. Soon I will go. Or should I tell you about Zazzle first? Yeah, if you want to get something back in return, go to our Zazzle store at zazzle.co.uk/store. No, it's not. It's zazzle.co.uk/Paphos Life. That's all it is. Yes. Safe again. Anyway, yeah, there you can buy all sorts of things featuring pictures that we've taken. Some of the ones I've taken here, perhaps even. They're not just yet because they won't have been uploaded. But yeah, all sorts of stuff, especially our calendars. And what's good about the calendars is that if you buy one in February, it'll be printed from February 2025 to January 2026, so you'll still get 12 months. So it won't be a waste of money. And they feature pictures that we've taken in and around Paphos and normally stuck on our Facebook page, which is Paphos Life, the thing to follow if you want to find out what we're doing, be it on Facebook, YouTube, or our main Paphos Life website. Have a quick look at Fish Boy, because it'd be rude not to, but it's definitely clouding over now. That's a good one. See if it'll hang around for just one more and I'll move on. And there's the Banya swimming pool, the Banya restaurant. But I wouldn't recommend anybody going swimming at the moment. Now, up ahead, you're going to find a lot of sand and gravel and rocks that have been washed up. And this will once again no doubt reignite the old, should they have a wall here? But if, as you'll see further up, where there is a little wall, there is still seaweed on the other side of it, so a wall is not necessarily the answer to everything. Get the camera up a bit. You'd think I'd know, wouldn't you? But I don't. But perhaps there's a good case here for having a wall in front of the beach area, which is where all this rubble has come from. So I think you'll have to agree, there's rather a lot of it. What I'm going to do also, as a separate side issue with the webcam, is stick it, I can do it on record mode, so I get a snapshot throughout the day, and it'll do a time lapse, effectively. And I can run it overnight and for the rest of tomorrow, or whenever the next gale is, and we can see what happens. For some reason I found time lapses aren't that popular, which is a shame because I love them. But yes, the seafront currently here in front of Mar Bianco, which is still open because everyone's inside. The seafront here is an extension on the beach at the moment. Oh, it's quite chilly now as well. I'm glad I kept my jumper on. There's Ellie and the opticians. They have the host the webcam I was maintaining, because the image, someone had reported that the image was a bit washed out, and I'd been talking with the people at the webcam manufacturers, and they'd got me to do all the usual, well, it's all latest firmware resets, etc, etc, and I'd done all that, and so I'm just watching where I'm walking. Turned out when I finished, even before I'd done the reset, the image looked pretty good again, and I think it was basically there'd been something on the lens from a previous storm making it look washed out, and now it was okay again. I mean, it's hard at the moment when the weather's gone like this again to check, because every image is going to look pretty washed out. But next time they have blue sky again, I'll be able to see for sure and see if any other work is needed. There's the moorings. Now, last time I was here, there was no sign of Henry. We'll have a quick look now though. See, up here there's less rubbish, well, I say rubbish, less flotsam and jetsam on the seafront itself, so you wouldn't need a wall here really, would you? There are a few more people around earlier as well, but I think the clouding over has made people scuttle into the restaurants and coffee shops. which is understandable. Because if you get the weather here that we had up in Polemic, you will not want to be out. Hopefully that will head towards the reservoir zone, which is where we want it to go. Oh, today, because I'm planning on getting this film out this evening, but before that I'll have published a blog article on the state of the reservoirs, because you might think they must be getting pretty full by now, but they're not. If you read that article, you'll see what the water levels are. And we basically need a month or two of weather like this before we can start relaxing. But hopefully we won't go back to a situation where people waste water by hosing down the driveways. There's the archaeological car park. Now you'll be able to see the wind blowing through the palms. I had wanted to fly my drone here this morning, only because I really need some up-to-date Calimera shots with the drone, but I think it's a bit too windy. Who knows? Because you do get lulls like this at the moment, but then like 2 minutes later, it'll pick up again. I mean, I'm unfortunate in that I've got a decent sized drone, so it can withstand a bit of a battering in the wind. Withstand a bit of battering rather. Who's that? But I still need to be very careful. There's the ocean vision. There won't be any boats going out today or for the foreseeable future, I'd imagine. Not while the seas are like this. Oh, if I see Henry today, I'll have to congratulate him, because he's got not one, but 2 new films out. It's like buses, isn't it? I wonder when the 3rd one will be dropping. And someone's clearing seaweed away up here. He's got his job cut out if he goes further up. It all seems to be mainly leaves from the tree over there. If he's paid by the bag, he's going to rake it in today. I don't think any barkers are going to be out in this weather, to be honest. Perhaps Henry's having another day off. He certainly can't eat outside in King's or Theo's at the moment. I think King's is closed completely, looking at that. When I say completely, I mean temporarily, obviously. I suppose they might be open right inside there. Never thought about that. Wonder what Coco's up to. Wondering where all his fans have got to. All you all fair weather fans for not being here to appreciate him. I don't see him there. He's out! I can't believe it. Neither wind, nor hail, nor snow will keep a good man down. He's getting himself all smarted up now.
Good morning, Mr. D.
Good morning, Henry. Filmmaker Henry.
I finally did make 2 videos.
2, I've already mentioned that
You
here.
saw it,
Yeah, I mentioned them on film already.
I did try.
You did.
Wow, this is very bad weather because nobody's by the harbour. So.
Of course they are. I mean, I started out about 20 minutes, half an hour ago. It was nice and sunny then.
There you go.
But Luckily it hasn't, I mean up in Polemy where I live, it was peeing down the rain. Lots of hail as well and everything, so you got to be lucky here really.
What we can do. Now it's the end of February, like this every day.
Yeah. So the reservoirs needed.
That's right.
Are you cold now?
Well, not really, it's a bit windy.
Well, wind will make you cold.
That's correct.
Wind chill
That's
factor
correct.
and all that.
That's correct.
You got some punters, haven't you?
I think these are the owners.
Anyway,
These are the
okay.
owners.
I'll say goodbye then.
See you later.
Cheers.
See you later.
Yeah, considering there's so few people around at the moment to occupy him when there's actually a customer walking past, potential customer. Yes, he's got a couple of films out, so go and take a look. Support him. Anyway, so here's where we should be finishing up by the castle, as is our usual state of affairs. Now, I will actually have a quick look. I'll point the camera over in the direction of the wall to the left of the castle, because they're thinking of removing that as being no longer required. So we can see from here whether we think it is required still or not, because it's supposed to be a temporary wall. I can also see some of that, I think, I can't remember, they call it cappuccino surf or something, that you get blowing up there. Oh, look at that wave. See, a little bit of that went over the wall, and so if the walls weren't there, there'd be a lot going over, I guess. I don't have an opinion either way, because to be quite honest, I just ignore it. My brain filters it out, but I presume other people who aren't here all the time could find it annoying. Really have no idea how much of my dialogue you can hear now. Definitely not flying the drone though, because the wind is getting worse. Here's modern Aphrodite. Fair play to the gimbal though, I hadn't been sure whether it would cope, but with that new weight I've got for it, it's okay. I was only a little bit of the foam, sorry. There might be more over this side. Whew! I'm feeling that, it's going right through me. No, I can't see any foam here either. When it does form, it's rather overpowering. Oh, there is a little bit if you look down there. And when the wind picks that up, it can get quite amusing. Whee! That wakes you up. Oh, it's going right through me. I'll see if I can turn around without the camera getting blown away. So there you have it, another day in windy, gaily Paphos. Hope you enjoyed that. Cheers.